In our summary section, we're just going to wrap up respiration and excretion. If there was one big picture thing I want you to get from today, what is it? It's right in front of you. Yeah, it's homeostasis. This is the idea. We really want to emphasize that both respiration and excretion are two of the primary systems or processes that are helping multicellular animals maintain homeostasis. In our animal schematic right here, we can see we have respiration and the respiratory system conducting gas exchange with the environment, and we have the excretory system here removing waste and regulating water balance with the body. So both of these systems are really important for homeostasis. Today's practice question is that you have discovered a new species of bony fish that can live in both fresh and salt water. You hypothesize that it must be a blank and is likely to excrete nitrogenous waste as blank. So the question is it an osmoconformer or an osmoregulator, and how is it excreting its nitrogenous waste? I'll give you a few seconds. The first thing you should be thinking of is it's going back and forth between saltwater and freshwater, which means it must be an osmoregulator. Good. So it's an osmoregulator, which means the answer is either going to be B or C. And since it's living in water, oceans for at least part of its life, how is it probably getting rid of its waste? Well, it's probably getting rid of its waste via ammonia. Although reading this question right now, C is also a potentially correct option because there are some bony fish that release urea. So if I was to use this as a real question, this option would be more obviously wrong, like it would be uric acid instead of urea, for example. So as always, with these practice questions, I want you to be thinking of the outcome and organizer that is relevant so you can kind of guide your practicing in a more targeted fashion. That's it for respiration and excretion. Next time, we're going to talk about the system that ties it all together. We're going to cover circulation. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you soon remotely.